Breaking news that could change the financial situation for millions of American seniors overnight. President Trump has just made a stunning announcement regarding a massive $5,200 stimulus payment specifically targeting low-income seniors across the nation, with direct deposits reportedly beginning to appear in bank accounts today. Could you be among the millions of seniors about to receive this substantial financial boost? Or might you risk missing out on these critical funds due to one oversight that countless eligible Americans are making right now? The information I am about to share could be the difference between receiving $5,200 in your account or getting nothing at all. And before diving into all the essential details of this breaking development, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I am committed to bringing you the most up-to-date information on stimulus payments, government benefits, and other financial support programs that could put thousands of extra dollars in your pocket. A vital move in today's rapidly shifting economic landscape. In a move that has sent shockwaves through Washington and brought new hope to millions of struggling seniors, President Trump addressed the nation this morning from the White House to announce what he termed the most significant economic relief package for our senior citizens in American history, standing before a gathered press corps and flanked by key economic advisors. He declared that the administration has authorized immediate stimulus payments of $5,200 to qualifying low-income seniors, with distributions beginning immediately through the Treasury Department's existing payment systems. Emphasizing that our seniors built this great nation with their hard work, dedication, and sacrifice, President Trump stated, "They deserve our support during these challenging economic times, especially those on fixed incomes who have been hit hardest by rising costs." And he elaborated that these direct payments of $5,200 will provide immediate relief to millions of deserving American seniors, a move that comes after weeks of overcoming bureaucratic hurdles to accelerate fund delivery. This unprecedented relief measure has been launched in response to growing concerns about the financial stability of America's senior population, particularly those living on Social Security benefits that have not kept pace with the increasing costs of everyday living. Recent economic data indicate that seniors are being disproportionately affected by inflation in essential areas such as food, housing, and healthcare, leading many economists to describe the situation as a full-blown affordability crisis. The timing of this relief package is particularly critical, as many fixed-income seniors have exhausted their savings while facing rising expenses for basic necessities. The question on everyone's mind is straightforward yet crucial. Who exactly qualifies for this $5,200 stimulus payment? The eligibility criteria focus on several key factors, and understanding these details could determine whether you will receive this essential financial boost in the coming days. The program targets what administration officials are calling economically vulnerable seniors, those most affected by recent economic pressures and least able to absorb rising costs on fixed incomes. According to Treasury Department guidelines released immediately after the president's announcement, eligibility is first based on age requirements. Recipients must be at least 62 years of age as of April 1, 2025, a threshold aligned with early Social Security eligibility, although you do not need to be currently collecting Social Security benefits to qualify. If you have recently celebrated your 62nd birthday, you have cleared the initial hurdle for eligibility. Income thresholds create another critical qualification. Individual seniors with an adjusted gross income below $40,000 annually will receive the full $5,200, while married senior couples filing jointly with incomes below $80,000 will each receive the full amount, potentially bringing $10,400 into their household. Beyond these income limits, the payment amount gradually reduces, with partial payments available for individuals earning up to $50,000 and couples earning up to $100,000, and those who exceed these upper limits will not qualify regardless of age or other factors. Additional qualifications include residency status. Applicants must be U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents and have a valid IRS tax filing status, with alternative verification methods available for seniors who have not filed taxes recently due to low income requirements. For those who have not needed to file tax returns in recent years, there is still a clear path to claim the stimulus payment. The Treasury Department has outlined an aggressive distribution schedule designed to get these funds into seniors' hands as quickly as possible, with the rollout beginning today and set to continue in phases over the coming weeks. If you are wondering exactly when your $5,200 might arrive, understanding the distribution timeline is crucial for managing your expectations and financial planning during this period. The first wave of payments, beginning today, targets seniors who receive Social Security Retirement Benefits, SSDI, or SSI via direct deposit. These electronic transfers are being processed in batches, with millions of deposits expected to appear daily through the end of the week. If you receive your regular federal benefits electronically, check your bank account as you might already see a pending deposit. Treasury estimates indicate that approximately 60% of all eligible recipients fall into this category and should see funds within the next 72 hours. The second phase, scheduled to begin next Monday, focuses on seniors who have filed tax returns for either 2023 or 2024 and have direct deposit information on file with the IRS, but who do not receive regular federal benefits electronically. These individuals do not need to take any special steps, as the payment will be automatically processed using existing tax filing information, with this phase expected to continue through the end of next week. Paper checks represent the third phase of distribution, scheduled to start mailing in 2 weeks, and will be issued in order of lowest to highest income, with approximately 1 million checks sent daily until all eligible recipients have been served. If you typically receive federal benefits or tax refunds by mail rather than direct deposit, be prepared for a wait of 3 to 6 weeks before your check arrives. If you have not already, consider updating to direct deposit for faster future payments. While many eligible seniors will receive their $5,200 stimulus payment automatically, others will need to take specific actions to claim their funds. For most recipients who receive federal benefits electronically or have filed tax returns within the past 2 years, the process remains completely automatic, with the IRS and Treasury using existing information to verify eligibility. For those whose current direct deposit information might be outdated due to changes in banking or other factors, it is advisable to verify the details on your most recent benefit or tax refund. If you do not receive federal benefits electronically and have not filed recent tax returns, you will need to access the Treasury's newly launched Senior Stimulus Portal on the official IRS website. This user-friendly online form, which requires only basic information such as your Social Security number, birth date, address, and income verification, is designed to be senior-friendly and typically takes less than 15 minutes to complete. The submission deadline is 45 days from today, making prompt action essential. In addition, seniors who have changed banks or closed the account used for previous payments should update their banking information through a dedicated section in the online portal to avoid delays or return payments. For those with limited internet access or who are not comfortable with online systems, a widespread support network has been established through partnerships with senior centers, libraries, and community organizations nationwide. A dedicated phone line 1-800-919-9835 has also been set up specifically for this stimulus program, although callers should be prepared for potential wait times due to high demand. It is essential to be aware that whenever large government payments are announced, scammers are quick to exploit the situation, so protecting yourself by recognizing warning signs is critical. Remember that legitimate government agencies will never contact you by phone, email, or text to request payment or personal information to expedite your stimulus payment. If someone contacts you asking for fees or sensitive details, such as your Social Security number, it is a scam, as the IRS and Treasury already have all the necessary information without any additional charges. In conclusion, these $5,200 stimulus payments for low-income seniors represent a landmark financial initiative that could significantly impact millions of Americans living on fixed incomes. With direct deposits beginning today and continuing over the coming weeks, this measure provides essential relief during challenging economic times. As you determine your eligibility and take the necessary steps, be sure to act promptly if additional actions are required and remain vigilant against scams by understanding that no legitimate agency will ask for fees or sensitive personal details. Moreover, consider seeking further guidance from community support centers if you encounter any difficulties during the process. and share this vital information with friends and family who might qualify, as your simple share could ensure that another senior secures this crucial $5,200 support. Stay informed, take timely action, and safeguard your financial security during these unprecedented times.